Let's make Japanese-style pork roll.
Seasoning is only ponzu, easy pork and vegetable rolls. Spread out thinly sliced pork. Place bean sprouts and radish sprouts. Roll up the meat from one end. Heat in frying pan over medium heat. Place the rolls with the sealed end facing down. Since oil comes out from the pork, it's okay not to add any oil. Once they start to brown, flip them over. Add ponzu. This is the only seasoning needed. Cover and let them steam cook. Flip them over. Once the pork is cooked through, it's ready. Sprinkle finely chopped green onion and seaweed on top. Pairs well with rice. Enjoy!
おいしい